Hello, guys. Can you hear me? What do you think of my handy dandy mic holder right here? Is it a potted plant? Is it a fake plant? Is it a real plant? And is this a microphone? It's really a microphone stand. All right, I need to have my hands free because we're going to make something today. I'm going to show you, maybe give you an idea. I love it how the sun just came out. It was like perfect timing. How's everybody out there enjoying the sunshine today? Tell me if you can hear me okay if you're on this live. So I just pulled I titled this video a message plus a project. And I don't know about you, but I love to do a daily card pull. And I pulled my Oracle deck today with messages from the universe, from the higher source. And I'm going to share one with you that I pulled today. Let me hold this so you can really hear it. We are here at the shop. Matt's working the desk over here with Tiki. And yeah, we've got a shop full of people. It's been very busy. So it says, "Dearest you, there is only one you, and you have a unique path and a special purpose. You're supposed to have specific experiences in this world and meet certain people, but then it is up to you how you live, how awake you are, what you choose to be, and how willing you are to grow and strip away what's false. Don't compare yourself to others. It's easy to think a person is happier just because their outside looks good according to society's standards. But you can't know anyone else's internal experience. So compare yourself only to your past self. See how far you've come. Don't get distracted by what others are doing or accomplishing. Stay focused on what inspires you. That's how you get successful and how you find your happiness. Want what you have now, not what someone else already has. We love you immensely and know your journey ahead is sparkling with miracles and wonderful things. Trust." I thought that was so beautiful. Hey, Victoria. Hi, Amy. So what a good message. And I think that just, yeah, as we turn the page into 2025, looking, being only in competition with yourself, right? How can you grow? You are the greatest project that you will ever work on. And when you look back and reflect over this past year, sometimes it's easy that, you're so caught up in things that you don't take the time to look back on all that you've accomplished and where you are and how you've grown and how you've just maneuvered through some really big challenges. You've had some big things happen in life, and here you are now. So take a moment to reflect on that. I always say you never lose if you always learn. So even if negative things happen to you this past year, you're on the other side. What did you learn from it? What did you take from it, right? It's all the fabric of who we are. It makes you who you are. And if you're happy with who you are today, well, all those things made you who you are. It all contributed. So what do you think of these daily postcards? Oracle decks are fun because they're, the tarot system is a set system, but the Oracle cards are just so intuitive, and you can pick a deck that you love, that speaks to you, that delivers different messages. Are you guys a tarot or Oracle or both? Or maybe use both in a reading. I tend to use both in a reading. All right, I'm going to need this little twig to hold on tight because I'm going to need two hands. We're going to do a little magic with the hands, a little creating. Can you guys still hear me okay? Let me know if you can. We've got the music on. Everybody loves our playlist here at Cauldron and Thorn. So I'm doing a live in the middle of the day. And we've got shoppers. And I really don't want to affect their shopping experience. So, all right. So here's what you can do. The last time I was on here and did a live, we did some sun catchers. And I've gotten beautiful feedback on them. So maybe it will encourage you if you have a chandelier that's broken, sitting in the basement. Does it have any pretty pieces that you could use that would catch the sunlight? That would be a beautiful idea to make for yourself, for a gift, especially over the winter where, it's just dark, right? And you just want to catch the sunshine. You just want to catch the glimmers and the ray of light. Okay. So today I'm going to work on, if you've been in my shop over the last 48 hours, you may have seen my beads as you pass by the community bead table. I've been wanting to get to this for the last couple days. It was busy, but today we're taking the time to do it. So if you get yourself some different pieces, you can make some really cool, I'm going to show you how to make a keychain for yourself. Now you can already get the different components and stuff like that to hook onto it. That way you can hang your keys and stuff. But I'm talking about the decorative part that hangs off right here. So I purchased these kits, and it gives me a little hangy piece that we're going to fill up with some really pretty beads today. I'm going to show you how we do it. And this might be an idea for somebody. Hey, Elizabeth, how are you? Good to see you on here, Liz. Okay, so these are taken apart right now. Look at this cool thing, all right? Beautiful, 2 pieces. And then we have all these beautiful beads in the front of us. And so as long as you buy like a bunch of, let me show you up close, just a bunch of beads that have some large holes. I'm telling you, these are so fun to make. I also have a bunch over here. You're just going to need some wide hole beads because this little piece, the barbell, is, it's not fragile. And that's good because the truth is, your keys jump around and stuff like that. You can use crystals if you want to. You're just going to have to find some large hole ones. I like this because it looks like it has little ladybug spots onto it. And then I actually have these ladybug beads that we purchased on one of our travels. We have them here. You guys have been making them into bracelets. The lucky ladybug. So I'm like, okay, we can put a ladybug with, a little spotted glass bead right there. But we are getting ready next month to head out west. We're going to go find more treasures. Oh, I like this stripe. Anybody else just love the idea of combining different textures and different sorts of, like we got polka dots, we got stripes. I think we should use some turquoise because turquoise color always goes so nice. I've also found these big silver style ones as well. Hey, Kristen, can you tell me if you can hear me okay? Or Liz? I think Facebook's being weird and it's not showing me any of your comments, so I'm sorry. But I'm hoping that my microphone holder here is doing the job and that it's not too noisy here at the shop. Let me just play with that. But yeah, we're getting ready to go out west. We're going to be going out to Tucson. It's going to be some business and then it's going to be some pleasure. So we're excited to shop. And then we're going to be, along our travels, going to see the beautiful Sedona. Anybody else love Sedona? If you've done any research on Sedona, you know all about the ley lines and the energy vortexes. And even if you're not into all that, which if you're on this page, you probably know about it and you're into it, let's be honest. But it's so fun to be out there. I think I want to put real quick. When you're working with big beads, this can be fast. But yeah, so I'm excited to get to spend some time out in sunny Tucson. Tucson is one of the sunniest places. I think it is the sunniest city in America. And it has basically all days with sunshine, minus a couple. Even when you get up and it rains, you might wake up and it might be cloudy, but after it rains, the sun comes out. It's beautiful. And being able to go from the East Coast to the West Coast in the middle of winter is beautiful. Because you're like, oh my gosh, I forgot how nice it was to actually feel the sunshine on my jeans, warming the leg of my pants. See you guys. Now today is pretty nice though, because we've got the sunshine. Do you have it where you are? So what do you think of this one? Oh, good. Thank you. I appreciate that, Kristen. I never know. I could be talking to myself for all I know. All right, so there we go. So imagine putting whatever you want on that, and then, yeah, you can go ahead and you can put it through your loop. Just like this. And now, this is what I'm doing today, making keychains for the shop. They're so cool, right? I'll make another one with you and show you how I do it. But so easy. But if you look up and you find, whether you're at a craft shop or online, if you just look up keychain, components, then you get to build them. So yeah, so I've got a whole bag here. So I'm going to sit today and work through this. I'm also looking forward to all the wonderful, wonderful food when we go out west. You get to experience just such different things, you know? I've got a little snowflake here. You think I should do a snowflake? I mean, that's not Christmassy. That's winter. I feel like somebody would love that. Let's see. Let's see where this gets us. Oh, that's pretty. Kind of like that. And then let's see what else. Oh, this one's got like a swirl, almost like a peppermint candy. I feel like that could be fun and wintry. What else do we have? We got red, solid red. Do any of you guys enjoy a trip away during the winter season? Oh, I love that. Love, love that. So cute. Okay, let me finish up the other side of this. It's just good to get out, right? It's the whole thing of you change your scenery and you change your mindset. And when you are out west, it's beautiful because you have the red and you have the green, and it's just really stimulating to your brain. It's so different, and it forces you to think differently. So I always look forward to that. That's pretty. All right, maybe one more. Let's see. What else we got? Too thick. We can use maybe another silver one. There we go. That'll get us closer. Do you guys have a favorite place that you love to travel to? Matt wants to do some skiing this winter. So who knows where we'll end up. We also want to stay in some earth ships when we go out there. All this snow in Erie, I think, has made us think about warmer places. Need one more in here. Or I could let it just kind of swing back and forth. We stayed in a beautiful Airbnb last year. I don't know if you guys remember this. We were over in New Mexico, right? Taos, yeah. And we stayed in like a hearth and home, and the plants were all inside. There was no TV, just a beautiful fireplace and a hammock, heated floors, no curtains to the windows. You were literally in a field, and it was just bathing you in sunshine. And my son and Riley, my son, and Matt went skiing. And, I just relaxed, walked around the lodge, just enjoyed all the sunshine. And yeah, I actually videoed during that time. So I will again this time as well if you guys want to look for that and you want to go with us virtually. But yeah, so our goal is to stay in an Earth ship this time. That's another one of the things on the bucket list to experience. Have you guys seen them? So we passed by them last year, and we've done a lot of research on them. And it's sustainable living off grid, and it really is like a ship that has all the amenities of everything that you need. It collects the rainwater, like everything is a system that works together. And anyhow, I think we're gonna see if we can rent one, and you know that'll be a little gift to ourselves. And when we do get away, we work hard. We're open. We just started going 6 days a week, but we've been open 7 days a week for, I don't know, years. So, we're gonna take a little rest and retreat, and it's gonna be good. We'll take you along. What do you think of this? Just so fun. That one has the snowflake onto it. Love it. You see the little snowflake right there? So there's two we made. Isn't that so fun? I love clickety clackety. I love dangles. I love lots of jewelry. I am that person. Tell me if you are as well. If you get it, you get it. You don't mind mixing metals. You don't mind mixing beads. And you will wear all of the jewelry that you love on the same day. And it's going to be okay. It's going to be fine. I think I'm going to do it. This is a fun one. This one has a little heart onto it. Do you see that? Inside the actual glass bead. So pretty. So yeah, if you're making gifts and you're just looking for ideas. Ooh, I have two of those. Maybe I'll do a pattern. I also have some big. Ooh, wow. This one has a heart onto it. Do you see it has turquoise colored one? One of my favorite things. We could do that. I like it. But yeah, the thing with when you're making these is not to overthink it, rather just to pile in a bunch of beautiful beads, stand back, look at it, enjoy it. All right, just like that, we've stacked another one, ready to go. You didn't see anything. You didn't see anything. The good thing is these are not seed beads. These are not little baby beads. So we can find them all rather quickly. All All right, let me rebuild that really quick. Because life happens, right? We read our message this morning. You just kind of got to let it go. Got to let it go, find the happiness. The happiness is I just made a whole, put some new beads on here. Now I've got another fantastic pattern. Hey guys, welcome in. Everybody's on the go today. All right, here we go. What do we think? Kristen, yes, I do. I do too. Let's be honest. That's why we all get along. I love that though. What do you think of that? The hearts, the heart on the turquoise, some beautiful silver bits. Yeah, right. And then you hang that off. Oh my gosh, I'm okay with that. Oh, you're into the quiche. All right, that's okay. We got two quiche. Two quiche. We went to Sam's Club. They have really good egg and broccoli quiches. And so sometimes, a lot of days when we're here at the shop and we're working, we have a nice big kitchen in the back. And we'll go and we'll put food on for ourselves to eat during the day. You know. So today, we were like feeling like some quiche. So I just took them out of the oven. They cooled down. And I'm looking forward to having a piece as well. I feel like I could eat quiche in the morning for breakfast or any time of the day. I am a breakfast person, so it doesn't have to be a morning thing. I'm okay with that. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? Hang that off the rest of your whatever. Put that in the corner of your bag on your purse. You can hang some more like charms onto it if you want to do it. Put your keys onto it. But yeah. Do you hear the clickety-clackety? So just like that, we need 3 beautiful, gorgeous specimens. I love it. Love it. Tell me if you love it too. So if you need an idea for gifts for yourself, you want to make something new, add something to your inventory, you want to build gifts for the new year, give to people, your friends. These are fun. These are really fun. And you can, hear me coming a mile away. All right, friends, I'm going to enjoy some quiche. I'm going to sit here. I see more people are coming in. And, I'm just going to chit-chat with customers, get some good food. There goes somebody on a skateboard. I'm just going to pretend it's spring. If you think really hard, you can pretend it's spring right now. The sun is out. We're past the snowy season. The skateboarders are out. Visualization. All right, friends, have a great day and take care. Bye.